What's going on, guys? Wanted to continue my up-and-coming gear reviews and stuff that's out in market that I think is awesome. I've been talking with Mike Binder of Black Diamond Custom Guitars. He started out just like us, and he actually winds some really nice pickups, and we're going to give a demo of those today. I'm actually running this through two different guitars, so I took the time to pull these out and play with them in a Corina V with an African Blackwood fretboard, and then this is my custom carved top maple burl with an African mahogany back, African mahogany neck, and a rosewood fretboard. This guitar screams. This is my littlest guitar. I built this when she was born, and just wanted to give you guys a run through of his pickups, talk about Mike a little bit. I've been talking with Mike on Instagram. We've been sort of sharing techniques and videos and whatnot, and I really like this set of pickups that he got for me. The bridge pickup is a 69 humbucker. Sounds outstanding. One of the best bridge humbuckers I've heard in a long time. Definitely knows what he's doing with it. A lot of times when you're winding your own pickups and you've done a couple of rounds, sometimes pickups could be a little bit muddy. These are not that at all. He's got a great tight sort of crunch on the bridge. And then on the neck, it's a Starbucker. And I think the neck sounds a little better in my LP copy than on the V copy. I think having the maple top helps a little bit. It just sounds a little bit cleaner. So I'll run through the two demos here. I'll start with the LP first. We'll go from clean to distorted, and then I'll run it through the V in another video that I shot. I want to make sure I was doing this pretty thorough for him and just showcase his products. Black Diamond Custom Shop hand-wound pickups. We'll give it a rundown. So I'm running through my orange amp right here. It's got a pretty decent tone. It's not the greatest amp, but for this setup, I'm recording off of my mic right in the ambient room. I think that's better than plugging in, especially if you want to sort of hear it live. So that was the 69 bridge, and then this is the Starbucker neck. That's the bridge. This is the neck. I think that actually sounds pretty good. I definitely like it cleaner than distorted. So let's distort this sucker out. So this is the bridge, full distortion. And then this is the bridge. Alright, so here's the Black Diamond pickups. This is the bridge first, clean, playing through my orange amp. This is the bridge. Now we'll move the bridge a little bit further up. Neck. This is a Corina V with a African blackwood fretboard and a neck through. This guitar sounds great. Let's put some distortion on this. So this is the bridge. And the neck. And then the same run through. And the bridge. So if you're thinking about buying some pickups, not sure where to go, don't want to wind them yourself, give Black Diamond Custom Guitars a look up. I'll put his website in the description. He's got an interview out there as well. Definitely one of us just trying to get it going. Comes in actually some really nice packaging. He's got his card. Has always been helpful as I was asking questions on what we're doing here. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.